And warm welcome to everyone. This video is based on exercise 11.1 from chapter number 11 from the maths textbook of class 7th. And the name of the chapter is perimeter and area. So the question number 1 from exercise 11.1 states that the length and the breadth of the rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. This means we have given the length of the rectangular land, that is 500 meter, and the breadth is 300 meter. We have to find out the area of it. As the land is rectangular in shape, we all know that the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So area is equal to length into breadth, and here the length given is 500 meter, breadth given is 300 meter. On multiplying both of these, we get 5 into 3 is 15 with 4 zeros, 2 zeros and 2 zeros. Meter into meter is meter square. So the area of the land is 1,50,000 meters square. And in the second part, we have to find out the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost rupees 10,000. Now we know the area of the land, and the cost of 1 meter square is given, that is rupees 10,000. So we have to find out the cost of 1,50,000 meters square. So solution is cost of the 1 meter square land is equal to rupees 10,000, and the cost of 1,50,000 meter square land is equal to 1,50,000 into rupees 10,000. So what we get on multiplying? We get 1, 2, 3, 4 of these zeros and into 1,50,000. So on multiplying we get 1,50,000 and 4 zeros more. So this is the actual cost of the land, right? So the question number 2 we have, and the statement is find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So we have to find out the area of the park which is of square shape, whose perimeter we have been given is 320 meter. So perimeter is given, we have to find out the area of the rectangular square park. So what we have given? We are given the perimeter. Given is perimeter of square. That is, this is the park, square park is 320 meter. Right? So perimeter of a square park is 320 meters. And we know that the perimeter of a square is 4 into side or 4 into length is equal to 320 meter. So L is equal to 320 meter upon 4, we get 80 meter. So one side of the park which is square shape is 80 meter. Now from this we can find out the area of a square. As we know that the area of square is the side square. Area of square is equal to L square or L into L, that is 80 meter into 80 meter. So 8 into 8 is 64. This 0 and this 0, 2 zeros, meter square. So this is the answer. So area of a square park is 6400 meter square, right? And the question number, so here is the statement of question number 3rd. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So we have to find out the perimeter and the breadth of the rectangular plot. So we'll start with the given. What we have been given, or what is given in the statement. The given in the statement is solution. The given is area of a rectangle, because the plot is rectangular shaped, so area of rectangle is given, which is equal to 440 meters square. Also length is given, so length of a rectangle is how much? 22 meter. So we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length into breadth, hence length into breadth is equal to 440 meters square. Length is given. So put the value of L, that is 22 meter, into B is equal to 440 meters square. Dividing both sides by 22 meter so that we can find out the value of B, that is breadth. 22 meter, 1, so 22, 2 ja 44, 0, so breadth is equal to 20 meter. Hence breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. Now we have both length as well as the breadth. Now in the second part we have to find out the perimeter. We know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So let's proceed. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So which is equal to 2 into length. How much length? 22 meter. And breadth we have just find it out. It is 20 meter. So this is the 20 meter we just found by solving the sum. So 2 into 22 plus 40 is 42 meter. This comes out to be 84 meter. So perimeter of a rectangular plot is 84 meter. Now let's move to question number 4. So the statement of question number 4 is the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and also find the area. So let's begin. Solution is what we have been given. We are given that the length is 35 centimeter, right? And perimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. So the perimeter is of rectangular sheet. It means we have to use a formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. And the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length plus breadth is given as 100 centimeter. So 2 into, what is the length? This is 35 centimeter plus breadth is equal to 100 centimeter. Dividing both sides by 2. So we get 50 here. So 35 centimeter plus breadth is equal to 50 centimeter. And breadth is equal to 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter. We are just transposing 35 centimeter to the right hand side, and its sign will be changed into a negative sign. So the answer is 15 centimeter. So breadth of a rectangular sheet is 15 centimeter. In the second part, we have to find out the area. As we have got both length and the breadth, we can easily find out the area of a rectangular sheet, because we know the area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and both the values we have with us. So length is how much? Length is 35 centimeter and the breadth is 15 centimeter. Just multiplying both of these. On multiplying both of these, we'll get the area. Let's proceed. So the area of a rectangular sheet is equal to length into breadth. Length given is 35 centimeter. Breadth we have just found. This is 15 centimeter. So 15 into 35, 15 5 ja 75, 15 3 ja 45 plus 7, 52 centimeter square. So 15 5 ja 75, 15 3 ja 45, yes, 525 centimeter square is the area of the rectangular sheet. Now let's move to question number 5. So the statement of question number 5 reads, the area of a square park is the same as of rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So the area of a square and of a rectangle here are same. And if the side of the square is 60 meter, so what will be the area of a square? So we can find out the area of a square as the side is given to us. So area of a square, that is park is of square shape, is equal to side square. So what is the side? 60 meter square. This is 3600 meter square, which is also the area of a rectangular park, because in the statement it's clearly given that the areas of square as well as rectangle are same. So area of a rectangle is equal to 3600 meters square. This is according to question. You can write here as this is given in the question. This is given in the statement, because the area of a square and the area of a rectangle both are same, which is given in this question. So area of a rectangle is the length into breadth is equal to 3600 meters square. And what is given to us? We have given to us is 90 meter. So 90 meter is the length. We have to find out the breadth. So 90 meter into breadth is equal to 3600 meters square. So we have to find out the value of B. So we'll be eliminating this 90 meter by dividing it by 90 meter. So dividing both sides by 90 meter. So here comes B is equal to 40 meter, and this is the answer. Now let's move to question number. The statement of question 6 reads, a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find the shape encloses more area. So the wire is in the shape of a rectangle. So the length of rectangle is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. So first of all, we have to find out the area of a rectangle. So area of the rectangular shaped wire. Rectangular shaped wire is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth. So here the length given is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. 40 centimeter into 22 centimeter. So 4 to 8 and 4 to 8. This 0 centimeter square. So this is the area of a rectangular shaped wire. Now this is, again, try to understand the statement. Now this wire is rebent to get a shape of square. This means we need to find out the perimeter of this rectangular shape. So the perimeter of the wire is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. So this comes out to be 2 into 62 centimeter. Yes, 2 2 is 4 and 2 6 is 12. So 124 centimeter. So what we can infer from it? This means the length of the wire is 124 centimeter. And this is to be rebent to form a square shape. That means we must know what is the perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square is 4 into L. So perimeter of square is 4 into L or side, that is equal to 124 centimeter. Right? So the length of the wire is also the perimeter of the square. So L is equal to 124 upon 4 centimeter. 4 3 is 12 and 4 1 is 4. So the length comes out to be 31 centimeter. 4 3 is 12 and 4 1 is 4. Now we have got the side of a square, that is 31 centimeter. We can find out the area of it also. Now let me erase this portion of it. So area of the square is equal to L square. This means 31 centimeter square. So what is the square of 31? We can do like this. 1 1 1, 1 3, 3 1 3, and 3 3 9. So 1, 6, and 9. So 961 centimeter square. So in the second part, we have to find out which shape encloses more area. So this is the shape enclosed by a rectangular wire, 880 centimeter square, and this is 961 centimeter square. So on comparing, we found that the area of a square shape encloses more area. So the area enclosed by a squared wire is greater than the area enclosed by the rectangular shaped wire. So area enclosed by square shaped wire will be greater than the rectangular shaped wire. And this is the answer. Now let's move to question number 7. The statement of question number 7 is the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, then find its length and find the area of a rectangle. So what we have been given here is the perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. So given is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter, and the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 130 centimeter. Then 2 into what is the length given? Length is not given, in fact breadth is given. So length plus 30 centimeter is equal to 130 centimeter. So dividing both sides by 2. So this is 65 centimeter. So length plus 30 centimeter is equal to 65 centimeter, and length is equal to 65 centimeter minus 30 centimeter is equal to 35 centimeter. Now we have got both the dimensions, length as well as the breadth. We can easily find out the area of a rectangle. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. The length is 35 centimeter. Breadth is given in the statement, that is 30 centimeter. So multiplying, 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 3 is 9 and 10, and this 0 centimeters here. So this is the answer. Right. So statement of question number 8 is a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of the whitewashing the wall is ₹20 per meter square. So this entire wall is to be whitewashed, right? But the region occupied by this door will not be whitewashed, right? So what we'll do, we'll first find out the area of the wall, and then we'll find out the area of our door. We'll subtract the area of our door from area of the wall. Then what we'll get, that area will be whitewashed, and we have to find out the cost of the area which is to be whitewashed, right? So solution. So first of all, we have to find out the area of a wall. Area of the wall is the length of the wall is 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. So this is equal to 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into 4 is 24, and 3 27. 3 5 is 15, and 3 4 is 12 and 30. 0, 12, 6 and 1. So this is equal to 16.20 meters square. Right. Now area of a door. Area of the door is 2 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 2 meter square. So the area to be whitewashed is equal to area of the wall minus area of the door, that is 16.20 meters square minus 2 meters square. This comes out to be 14.20 meters square. Now the cost of whitewashing the wall is per meter square is rupees 20. So cost of whitewash zinc 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20, and the cost of 14.20 meters square is equal to rupees 20 into 14.20. So 200, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, into 1 ja 2. And 0. So this comes out to be rupees 284. So rupees 284 will be the cost of the whitewash. So by this we have come to the end of exercise 11.1. So we'll meet you again with another video for exercise 11.2. Till then, I wish you all the very best and happy learning. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Thank you.